In this video, we're going to learn how to do text into photorealistic AI images. So you're going to go to the Apps tab on the left and go to Imagen. We're going to go ahead and open up this tab here. And you can just type in your prompt, whatever you want. Make an image of a basket of bananas and oranges. And let's see what it gives us. Those look pretty darn good. So let's give it a little more detail and see what it comes with next time. So this time, okay, so for this one, I made a rocket on a moon made of cheese. And let's see what it comes up with. Oh, that's really cute. Okay, so that can go into our design here. That's pretty cool. Swiss cheese. And that would be a great t-shirt. Look, it made us a t-shirt design too. I love that. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, this prompt, I made a rocket on a moon made of pickles. And they're two really different concepts. That one's pretty weird. It's like a pickle cut in half. Let's look at this one. I think this one's way cooler. That would also make a cool t-shirt. The rocket looks a little funky, but look at that pickle in the sky. It looks really awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna let Imagen just go ahead and generate a prompt for me. You can click try an example and it will give you some different prompts here you can play with to see what it comes up with. When I was using it, it was actually telling me that I had things that were against the terms. But let's see, a stunning rainbow arcing across the sky. Let's see what that looks like. That looks pretty realistic. I like the highlights on this little house. Let's go ahead and do another regeneration. Let's generate again